welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be teaching you how to do a caramel macchiato, and it's a very simple drink that looks super fancy. You can be your own home barista at home. This is what it looks like, the final product, and it looks so pretty. Look at the definition of the two colors. It looks kind of like the Dalgona coffee that I had before, where it's like two different layers, but this one, the top layer is more like liquidy, watery because it's coffee rather than foamy like the Dalgona coffee. Anyways, let's get on to the video. If you're interested in learning how to make this caramel macchiato, keep on watching. When you first make it, you can take a sip first if you like that little bit of coffee taste, and then you stir it. Look how pretty it goes. Ooh. Very good. If you like what I had for the pump, this one is actually sugar-free French vanilla Torani flavoring syrup. You can of course get the one with actual sugar, but I just feel like this is healthier. You're not taking that much carbs in, and you're still enjoying something sweet, which I love. If you want, you can also replace the milk with like almond milk if you want to make it healthier. I just need to let you know, when you do almond milk, the definition of the two is not as defined, because milk is more thick, whereas almond milk is more watery, so you have to pour very slowly to put the espresso into the milk. Otherwise it doesn't have the two definition. It'll start mixing almost right away. So that's something I noticed. So pour super slowly onto a spoon. That's the best way to make sure that it's, you know, layered. Oh, and the ice cube definitely helps to kind of help with the layering of the two. Honestly, when you're drinking it, you're gonna stir it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But for the picture, for the photo, it just looks so much better when, you know, it's separated. That's just my take on it. The reason why it's called caramel macchiato is because they have the caramel dripping. Macchiato means stained. So caramel stained glass basically around the glass. That's why we would add the top caramel portion on there. You can also get sugar-free caramel if you like. I hope you guys like my short video today on how to make caramel macchiato at home. Super easy. This is so cheap to make at home. This thing is like $11 on Amazon, or you can get it at Bed Bath & Beyond. And you only need 2 pumps. Hi. 2 pumps per cup that you use. It's so much cheaper than to go buy yourself Starbucks caramel macchiato every time you go out. And especially it's not that safe to go out anyways right now in the world. So, you know, why don't you just stay at home, be safe, and make some nice homemade Starbucks drinks at the comfort of your own house. You can have this at a fraction of the price, and you know, it just feels better when you make it yourself. It's a sense of accomplishment. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you tried it, how you like it, and other than that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.